The best layers for curly hair. I have two examples, and this goes for men's hair and women's hair. The shorter the hair on curly hair, the more it's going to be able to spring up and look rounder and fuller. It's going to enhance your curl, make it look curlier. Even though layers removes weight, what's happening on curly hair is when that weight is removed, think about the curl itself as being more free. Think about if you're in a tight room with a lot of people, and then all of a sudden, like half or more of those people leave the room, you have more space to yourself. It's the same thing with curly hair. So if you're getting a haircut, the more your hair is cut with layers, obviously it's going to be shorter, but it's going to be more fuller and rounded, and the curls are going to be enhanced. If you do not want to have your curls fuller, more enhanced, then you need to leave them longer. It sounds like common sense, but in reality, it is. And that's what's happening is a lot of people aren't using common sense when it comes to their hair. So if you were to take, say this piece right here and pull it all the way out more to here and let it weigh, it's going to weigh itself down. So it's going to be a lot flatter in through here. Now, I've done a video on this, and this is a prime example of what happens, and I'll go over this in a minute, but the hair starts to triangle out, right? It gets real flat here, and then kind of balloons out towards the ends. And that's because the hair is its thickest down in throughout the sides and in the back, so it just lays and builds on top of each other. So in order to loosen this up and soften this up, which this haircut has, it has layers that kind of contour the head shape. So you're able to get some fullness in through here, but also throughout the bottom. So this is what a good layered haircut will do. So if you don't want to have your hair just all one length and it looks like a big triangle on your head, you have to incorporate some sort of layers. Layers are actually a good thing for curly or wavy hair. However, if you are someone who likes, and I've seen this a bunch of times, people like having their hair super flat at the scalp area, super flat into here, and just some light curl and texture down throughout the bottom, utilizing products like my Control Cream is a newer product of mine, incredibly good for curly hair or wavy hair, of just enhancing, controlling, taming the frizz. It's really a phenomenal product. They just put some of that product in throughout the middle and the ends, and it's perfect, right? It doesn't balloon out. So products do come in handy and play a big role. However, again, if you are looking to have a haircut that really is more of a balanced shape like this, you don't want it laying so flat here. You have to then introduce some sort of layering. And depending on where on the hair you want to see that movement, think of it this way. If I were to pull the hair like this straight up here, this piece, and if I were to cut this piece right here, guess what? It's going to fall the distance it travels upwards. It's going to fall downwards like this. So however short this is cut, let's just say it's cut this short, it's going to fall right here. So you need to really, really be careful and understand where, and think about where do you want your layers to be. Now, can you go with the professional's recommendation? Hopefully, yes, if they're skilled and they know what they're talking about. Because if they're cutting layers too short, you're going to have really long hair with a much fuller, more rounded shape, enhancing. If you don't want that and you want it to be a little flatter throughout the root area and you want the volume and more of the balance, not necessarily volume, but the balance to be down and through here more, then you have to realize that the layers have to fall in through here. So meaning when it's cut, there's still a lot of length because the layers are falling here and then everything is longer layered, somewhat square down and through here. So, or the hair is pulled out rounded from the head, which is what I cut. It's just longer. So it's creating a balanced shape. Really, it comes down to hair length. I cut hair consistently rounded throughout the entire head. It just depends on the length, and that's where it falls and lays on the head. And this is anyone's hair, male, female, doesn't really matter. Something I've been offering, I don't talk about it that much, but I do offer virtual one-on-one consultations for a half an hour. It's a VIP premium experience. I get people from all over the world who book these with me. I analyze your hair through a Zoom call, and I look at your hair, give you suggestions, tell you what's working, what's not working, what to say to your hair professional. It's like a really deep analysis, and I also even create images of haircuts based off of my expertise and what I would do to your hair. I create actual images of haircuts that will look good on you, that you can use as a reference when you go to a new hair professional, or I tell you what to do. It's really incredible, and I get people from all over the world on a weekly basis. So I'm here in the United States. It's great if you're here in the US, but I do it from people all over the world. And that is literally right here if you click View Products. So let me know if you found this video helpful. If you have curly hair, how are you getting it cut? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.